All right, this is our Unit 1 test. Make sure you put your name at the top. First section's on vocabulary. Match each term with the correct definition. Number 1, volume. Number 2, qualitative observation. Number 3, inference. Remember, you can pause the video and rewind as you need. Independent variable. Number 5, mass. 6, hypothesis. 7, scientific method. 8, controlled variable. 9, quantitative observation. 10, density. 11, buoyant force. 12, dependent variable. Okay, going through your choices. A is a measure of the amount of matter in an object. Letter B is a series of 6 steps to answer a scientific question. 6, a statement trying to explain what you observe. D, an observation that deals with numbers. E, the variable I change in an experiment. F, a statement written in if, then, because form. G, the amount of space an object takes up. H, an observation that describes a quality. I, the amount of matter in a given volume. J, the variable you measure. K, the upward force exerted on a fluid, on an object. L, the variable you keep the same. The next section, we're identifying the independent and dependent variable in the statement. Number 13, the longer I run, the more I sweat. I identify the independent variable and the dependent variable. Number 14, the steeper the hill, the faster the go-kart will go. Identify the independent variable and the dependent variable. For the next section, you're going to place the 6 steps of the scientific method in correct order. Place the number 1 through 6 on the line next to the step to identify the step. Number 15, communicate results. 16, form hypothesis. 17, ask a question. 18, analyze results. 19, test hypothesis. 20, draw conclusions. Okay, going on to the next page. Identify the statement as an observation or an inference. Number 21, the girl has black hair. Is it A, an observation, or B, an inference? 22, the boy is running. He must be late for school. A, observation, B, inference. Identify this. The next section, identify the statement as a quantitative or qualitative observation. Number 23, I have 23 pairs of shoes. Is that A, a qualitative observation, or B, a quantitative observation? Number 24, the room smells like cookies. Is that A, a qualitative observation, or B, a quantitative observation? Number 25, what is the equation to calculate density? 26, what is the equation to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism or a regular shaped object? 27, how do you find the volume of an object that is irregular shaped? 28, what is the density of water? Okay, going over to page 9, or page 3, number 29. An object has a density of 0.89 grams per centimeter cubed. Would it sink or float in water, and why? Number 30, calculate the volume of the object. Show your work and label your answer with the correct units. Number 31, calculate the volume of the object. Show your work and label your answers with the correct units. 32. An object has a mass of 120 grams and a volume of 6 centimeters cubed. Calculate the density of the object. Show your work and label your answer with the correct units. 33. Who was Archimedes? 34. What caused the Titanic to sink? Be sure to use scientific words like density, buoyancy, mass, and/or gravity in your explanation. Okay, that is the end of the Unit 1 test. Make sure you have answered all the questions. Make sure you've put your name at the top and bring it back to me.